Hey, what's going on guys, P.s Leykov here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create these white flash and turbulent transitions in Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro I have already loaded those 3 videos, and the first thing I will go and do is go down to the project panel, and with the left button I'm going to click on the project panel, and from there I'm going to create a new item and I create a adjustment layer. I'm gonna leave the width and heights and the time base as it is, and I'm gonna click OK. Then I'll take this adjustment layer and drop it above the videos into the timeline and shorten it to around 21 frames or so, something like that, so I can put it above those 2 videos where is the cut, and therefore we're gonna create the transition over there. So now when we've got this adjustment layer, the next thing I'll do is go to effects and type out turbulent displays. Okay, like that, and after that I'm gonna grab this effect and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now when we dropped it, you can see that the video changed, and after that I'm gonna select the adjustment layer and go back to the effect control panel. Scroll down and I'll go to the turbulent displays. From there I will go to amount and size. Straight away I'm gonna create a keyframes as it is, and I will drag them at the beginning of this adjustment layer and adjust them. So we want the amount to be 0 and the size will be 100. And then I'm gonna drag them somewhere over here in the middle, and I'm gonna increase the amount to 253 like that, and the size down to 33. Then I'm gonna copy the first keyframes and place them somewhere over here exactly at the beginning of the second video. Then I'm going to select all of them with the left button of the mouse and continuous Bezier. So let's see what we've done so far. Okay, it's not too bad, but I'm just going to move the second keyframes a little bit closer to the first one, like that. So let's see it now. And like that we have created this transition. So for the next transition, it's gonna be easier because I'm gonna hold Alt, and with the right button of the mouse I'm gonna drag this adjustment layer somewhere over here. Okay, then I'm gonna go to it and delete the turbulence displays. In that case I'm gonna go back to effects and type levels. From there I'm gonna go to levels and drop them at the adjustment layer. From there I'm gonna go back to the effect control panel, go to levels and move the cursor at the beginning of the adjustment layer and go down to the white input. I'm gonna create the first keyframe over there and we will leave it to 255. Then I'm gonna move the cursor somewhere between the first video and the second one over there, and I will decrease the white level to 40. And then I'm gonna move the cursor somewhere a few frames after the second video over there, and I'm gonna go back to 255. And also I'm gonna select all of them, all of the keyframes, the left button of the mouse and continuous there. So let's see what we've done. And like that we've got this white flash. But if you want to make some improvements, you can do it. For example, if you want to move the last keyframe somewhere over here, so you're gonna have a little bit delay on the white flash, let's see. So you can play around with the keyframes so you can get the desired result. And like that, you can create these 2 very cool, simple transition in Premiere Pro. Also, if you're wondering how you can create a shape transition in Premiere Pro, you can check the video at the top corner somewhere over here. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.